Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. And here we make data simple, practical, and very powerful. So whether you are just starting your analytics journey or leveling up your skill, everything I teach here is actionable, clear, and also designed to help you master your skill faster. So in this tutorial, I will show you a super quick trick that will save you tons of time in Microsoft Excel, and that is Autosum. That's Autosum in in Excel. How to make use of your Autosum. What does Autosum do? Autosum instantly adds your number without clicking any formula, any plus or sign or sum formula. It's instantly add number in Excel. So instead of typing formula one by one, you can instantly sum rows or column with just a in keyboard shortcut in Excel. So let's get started. So I'm going to into Excel quickly. So we are going to go into Excel quickly, and then this is my Excel, and then I want to sum this first row. I want to sum this row, this data. I want to sum it. Let me click this. I want to sum this data. I want to sum this particular data here. I want to sum this row. How can we do that? And that's Autosum. It's, instead of writing equals to, or what's it called? Instead of writing equals to sum, we can actually do Autosum in Excel. How do we do it? This is the formula. This is the shortcut that you are going to use. That's the Excel shortcut. You click your Alt key and your plus sign key are together in your, so that it can bring out your Autosum. So I'm going to do that Alt and then on my Alt key and my plus sign. You can see now it has highlighted everything. You can see now that it has highlighted. Excel automatically creates the sum formula for the number above for this number. You can see now, just like magic, it has highlighted everything. I click my Alt and plus key. So now I just click enter. You see now it has sum up everything that we have here. It sum it up for us. So, and that's just, it instantly calculate it. So you can also do it for row. I can do it for row. Let's assume I want to do this for this row. I want to sum this row. Also, I'm just going to come here. Instead of writing equals to sign, I'm used to that. So I'm just going to write my Alt and sum key, which is what I want to do. Alt and plus key. You see now it has highlighted this row. Click, boom, and that's it. Just like magic, it's sum up this row for row, just as it. So even if your line your or I mean your data is a large number, you can do the same thing. So let's assume I increase this, and then I want to do the sum. What I will do is Alt key plus this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, think that one has copy wrong thing. So I'm just going to do Alt plus key. You can see now it's sum up everything for us. It sum up everything for us. So you don't need to, we can do auto, you don't need to write formula for you to sum things in Excel, for you to add things, to add your number. You can press your Alt key plus Alt and plus key together to give you your auto sum. If this video save you tons of time, hit the like button now. Like this video, share, comment. I want to hear your feedback, and also most importantly, subscribe for more Excel tutorial and also data analytics tutorial. Don't miss up with what we are doing in this, or don't miss anything we are doing in this tutorial, in this channel. Subscribe to get more tips on data analytics. So I want to see your comments below. You can write your favorite Excel shortcuts you want me to cover, or what video tutorial you want me to cover next. So let's keep learning, let's keep growing, and let's keep striving for excellence. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.